We are showcasing our CO2 compressors, probably first and foremost because of the nature of a lot of the other attendees at this conference. So we have subcritical and transcritical CO2 compressors. We're also showcasing our ammonia products. So we have compressors, oil separators, motor compressor skids, and compressor packages, all for the ammonia industry. And we also have hydrocarbon compressors as well, much larger than what's very popular today, but we do have those also for showcase. Well, CO2, the key advantages would be we have UL approval. We're making them here, right here in Georgia. We have high efficiency, high reliability. We've made over 10,000 transcritical CO2 compressors. So we have and where they're installed is everywhere. So supermarkets, very popular, heat pump applications in Japan, and any other CO2 sites. Subcritical cascades are taking off in Brazil, and even Australia, South Africa. They're all really all over the world. With ammonia, we have compressors for traditional industrial use, like cold storage and processing. And then we also have our compressors are a very popular size for the low charge industry. So right now we're getting a lot of interest in our compressors with many the manufacturers of the low charge systems. Great. I mean, we have, we did the first CO2 subcritical store in 2008, and then we have nothing but positive feedback from that, and the same for the first transcritical store in the US as well. So generally, probably the number one compliment we get about our compressors across the board is how quiet they are. So generally that's the first thing that people realize, and I think that speaks to the engineering, the reliability, the vibrations, and the smoothness of our compressors. In the world of natural refrigerants, I would say the next product that's the most sought after that we are answering, it would be larger transcritical CO2 compressors. So we hope to have a 50 horsepower 6-cylinder available next year. And also in terms of ammonia, we have also larger screw compressors also on the horizon. So. Yeah, I think that with respect to CO2 compressors, the greatest barrier would be able to get approvals like UL much faster and much more cost effective. So this is something that in Europe they have a little bit more relaxed restrictions and codes for what we have to do to get approval. And if we could get the same type here, that would definitely help bring that technology to the forefront.